Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the vibration and the sound effects in the FillTheFridge application. The very first thing you need to do is enter the app. Now this may take a while since the game unfortunately loads in a little bit slowly. After you are in the game, you will have to press the settings option at the top of your left corner. You will see a little gear symbol there. After you click on it, you will see the vibration and the sound options, and you can turn them off. Now it is worth doing so because this game has really loud sound effects, and since the first moment I have entered the game, it was bothering me personally. I suspect some of you will encounter the same problem. So shortly, this was the video about. I really hope it was helpful, and see you next time. Bye bye.